Good morning, guys. So right now I'm actually going to Megan's work and dropping her off some chicken nuggets. I gotta go to McDonald's real quick just because I'm a good boyfriend, and then after that I'm heading to Sean's shop. Now the reason I'm heading to Sean's shop today is because one, I want to clean my car. We're gonna actually probably detail the interior because as you can see, it's disgusting. I got her nuggets, I got her a drink.
Thanks, baby. I'm so excited for my nuggets. What else you got?
What? What else do I got? I got this.
You smell good.
Wow, I wonder why. It must have been the new cologne that my girlfriend bought me for Valentine's Day.
It smells good.
I just got to Sean's shop, and honestly, yesterday in Rhode Island, it was beautiful. It was like 60, sunny. It was awesome. I was stuck working. Today, my day off, it's 52, windy, and just cloudy and miserable. But either way, I'm not really too worried about it. So you guys are probably wondering, like, what the hell are you doing? We clicked this video for this title. We're gonna get into it. Like I said, I had to get to Sean's shop first. Figured I would show you guys my morning before I did so, more of like a vlogging type deal instead of just hopping right into a video and ending it there. If you guys like that style a little bit more and you want to see like what I do in the morning, or you know, whatever I'm doing before I actually get to the point of making a video for whatever it may be, just let me know. It would be more of like a vlog instead of just more of a how-to or what did I do type deal. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed to this channel already, please do so. I'm trying to hit 10,000 subscribers. So always make sure you subscribe if you're new to this channel, if you enjoy the content. So if you guys were wondering, you know, what I actually have in here. Oh, y'all ain't ready for this. You are not ready. This is what I got. Brand new brake covers by MGP. Now, obviously, that says Reapuh. It's engraved, it's in red. It looks awesome. I want to give a huge shout out to MGP for creating these and customizing them for me and sending them out. If you guys don't know who MGP is, they're basically a company that designs custom brake covers like this. Now you can go on eBay and buy cheap ones, but they're not gonna have any heat release. So basically what's gonna happen is all the heat from your brakes is gonna stay there. It's not gonna get out, and it's just really bad for the whole system in general. On top of that, they're very cheap looking. They ship from like China. So if you guys wanna buy a set of these, they're fairly cheap for what they are. They clip right over your brakes. You can do any color you want. You can give them your VIN and get your factory paint matched to it. You can do custom engravings, logos, all those things. So huge shout out to them. I want you guys to check out their website down below in the description. I also have another front, and then I have the rears underneath as well. So they look really good. They're gonna go really well with the satin black. And I'm gonna go inside really quick into Sean's, and then I will catch you guys back outside.
Nah, I need more new tires, kid. Cause I just was all like,
I'm just gonna put that in the video in the most random spot possible.
sure.
Sure. Sean, what do we gotta do?
Some shit up. Make this car worse than what it is.
So these are the 4 covers. These are obviously the 2 fronts, and then these are the 2 rears. Unfortunately, since the way my wheels are set up, I can't slide the caliper or brake cover in there and make it fit, so I have to take my wheels off. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm gonna jack up the car, take off the wheels, and then show you guys how to put these on. So I got Sean putting the first cover on because when I tried doing it, the clips did not want to line up properly. So he's working on it right now, and he just bent the bottom clip because it wasn't forming to the brake caliper that well. So right now he's just bending them, seeing what works best so we can try to tighten it down so it's not loose at all over the caliper. Alright guys, so we have a small problem. The brake covers that got sent out were actually the wrong size. Now it's an honest mistake and I can see how it happened, so I'm not too worried about it. It just sucks because I wanted to put them on and they're gonna have to remake new ones. So it's not too big of a deal, just kind of sucks because that's basically what my video was gonna be today, so I do apologize. But I'm gonna show you guys what the issue is. So I did have Sean trying to fix it because I figured it was something that I was doing wrong, but in reality, when you stick these on, the black piece is supposed to be up here. So that black piece is supposed to sit flush there, and that bottom black piece is actually supposed to be right about there. Now you can see the black is a little bit off. So we were trying to bend the brackets to see if we can get them to fit a little bit better. And as you can see, they're not really working out too well. The issue is these covers are for a regular Mercedes C300 and not a Sport. The Sport has the bigger brakes. It's just a tiny bit different, and these ones are too small to fit over my brakes and be flush and work properly. It was very loose. I wouldn't want them flying off the car or anything like that. So basically, gotta throw the wheel back on. I just spoke to their tech team, so they're gonna end up making a new set, hopefully, and sending those out. So as you can see, I ended up putting new tires on the wheels. I went with Continentals, Extreme Contact, DSW S06s. I started interior detailing my car because it needed it. As you can see, all the vinyl wrap that I've used in the past, which my buddy's gonna come by after, I think, and we're gonna practice on his Chevy emblem because he wants to do that. I got tint for my taillights, which I'm trying to do that, but I want to wait till it's a little bit warmer. I got the Dip Your Car sprayer. I got some Adams polishes, cloths and things like that. I got a freaking work shirt. Now I do have my OEM mats for my car, which I'm gonna put back in. I had these floor mats that my boss actually bought me for Christmas, which they worked really well for what they were. Obviously these came from China, but I mean, I wanted the white stitching in between for that kind of fancier look, but they sent me the wrong ones and I just got all black. So it wasn't that big of a deal, but they go up the sides so they catch all the dirt. As you can see, all this dirt was in here. And yeah, that's basically it. That's everything that was in my trunk in my car. And I've put a few more things back, like the sprayer and things like that. Started vacuuming, as you guys can see. I cut my footprint, which I gotta clean that. Wiping down with some Amarol. And the front is looking pretty good. Everything's looking pretty clean. I'm gonna move the seats back, and then after I'm done interior detailing, I'm probably gonna do my wheels and the exterior of the car.
I'm talking on a cigarette and smoking on the chain. It's the only time I get you talking by yourself. I know I might be tripping, there's electric in your eyes. You can feel it, so don't tell me it's for someone else. Just one night, you can't lie. Your whole body's running round in circles.
Alright, so I did clean my car. I'm actually in a parking garage right now because I'm gonna try to get some photos of the car all blacked out in the parking garage. Unfortunately, these lights are very yellowish, so I'm gonna have to do some Photoshop to kind of change the color scheme on that because I like more of the cool look and not the warm look, just in parking garages in particular. So I'm gonna be messing around with that, but like I said earlier, I do apologize that I wasn't able to put the actual covers on today. And I have hoodies and I have a t-shirt on underneath this with the Reapuh logo, which is basically almost like the AMG logo, but it says Reaper. If you guys don't know, that's basically what I go by, and it's basically what the brand I'm trying to create is going to be. I call this the Grim Reaper because it's all blacked out. Mean ass car, everybody loves it, gets tons of compliments, so that's where I got that from. I also use that for like Xbox and gaming and all that other stuff. So that's where Reapuh comes from. It's meant to be Reaper, but I say because it's the accent and everyone already has Reapers. Makes it a little bit more original. So if you guys want to actually buy these hoodies or t-shirts, I am actually coming out with key tags as well. Probably 4 weeks out, so I'll keep you guys updated on those. But if you were interested in getting a hoodie, it has the black logo or the white logo, and I think I do have a t-shirt where you can actually get a gold logo. You can choose the color of the shirt, you can choose the color of the hoodie, it's whatever you want to do. And then I have an American flag on the side, so that way it just kind of breaks it up a little bit. It's not just one plain logo and that's it. So it does break it up. Clothing, the material is very nice, it's comfortable. I have a t-shirt on underneath this that is actually black with the red logo and the red American flag because I wanted it to match the covers for the video, but you know, can't do that. So if you guys do want to check it out, I'm going to put a link down below in the description for my website. That's where you can buy the hoodies, the shirts, and then eventually the key tags. I'm going to have a separate link for that. So that's that. Any support I would appreciate it. If you guys want to comment, let me know what you think about the website, all that good stuff. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace.